sweetheart. Hey there.
Well, hello. You have got very good control flying, don't you, Zura?
How you doing?
Yes, you do.
Huh? How you doing?
Hey.
You want to step up?
Good girl.
Hmm?
You want a taste of that?
Step up?
Oh, yummy, yummy.
Yeah, that's a good bird. Come on. Come on.
Yummy.
Come on. Come on. Come on. That's a good bird. That's a good bird.
Oh, I
That's a
know
good
where you're
bird.
going. I know what you're going for.
Is that your sister?
Nicole.
Look, their sister.
Nicole. Oh,
No?
that's my necklace now. Ouch, I hear you. I know you're not happy with me. I know.
Yeah. Where are you going? Hmm? Oh. I think Sissy's coming up too. Oh, you're not going to let her? Says, no, that's my mama. I'm not sharing. Hmm? I wish I could get a picture of your pretty tail, little bird. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. We're going to chew on that.